All right, real talk. You're a plumber, electrician, HVAC tech, maybe even the hero who shows up when the AC dies on the hottest damn day of the year. You're good at what you do, but if your phone ain't ringing, Google might be ghosting you. So let's fix that. I'm going to break down GEO SEO, aka how to make your service biz show up in local search results without having to become some TikTok dancing ninja. GEO SEO sounds fancy, right? Like something a marketing bro in skinny jeans came up with. But it's just a way to make sure that when someone Googles emergency electrician near me or plumber in Austin who won't rip me off, you show up. So, if you haven't claimed your Google business profile, stop watching this. Go do that. I'll wait. Okay, good. Now you need to beef it up by adding photos, using your service area zip codes. Tell people when you're open. And for the love of God, don't leave your description blank, because that's your time to shine and answer and show them why you are who they need. Also, post updates, like every week. Don't just let it sit there and get mad when nothing happens. Post about specials, tips, or just show off that sweet bathroom tile job you nailed. And a surefire way to own your service areas is to create pages for each one. Google eats that up. Mention neighborhoods, use local reviews, throw in some "we're just down the road from HEB" action. However, that will inevitably lead you to argue about the best HEB in your area. But even that will tell Google and your customers that you're the person they want. If you're answering those kinds of questions in your content, you're winning. You want to make sure you use plain language. Answer FAQs. Say where you work, what you do, how much it costs, and if you don't know what schema markup is, just use a plugin like Yoast to help you out. But don't stuff keywords like a Thanksgiving turkey. Use them naturally, like serving the Cedar Park area since 2005, fast, affordable leak detection in North Austin, and talk like a local. Drop in street names, slang, taco joints, whatever your neighbors recognize. You don't go out to a job without your tools in your truck, right? Think of GEO SEO the same way. You can use tools like BrightLocal for local rankings, Whitespark for local listings, Yoast or Rank Math on-page SEO, and Local Viking GBP management. These tools help you spend less time on the computer and more time fixing real things. GEO SEO isn't rocket science. It's just showing up online where your customers are already looking. Think of it like regular maintenance. You wouldn't install a furnace and peace out forever, right? Same thing here. Keep it fresh, keep it local, and keep showing up. So, if you want to win the GEO SEO game, be local or be invisible. Claim that Google business profile. Build pages for every town you serve. Talk like your customers, not like a marketing nerd. And use the tools that do the heavy lifting so you can get back to lifting actual heavy stuff. GEO SEO isn't magic, it's maintenance. And if you're already fixing busted heaters and leaky ceilings, this is just another system to tighten up. Now quit watching YouTube and go make that phone ring. And if this helped, hit that like button so the algorithm doesn't ignore me like my ex. Are you an agency, SEO professional, independent contractor, or small to medium business? PosiRank is your ultimate solution for SEO management. With intuitive automation tailored to your needs and A+ link building, we've got you covered. Let's boost your online presence and drive impressive ROI together. So head on over to posirank.com and join the community today.